Who is that? Who is?
Get it, Papa.
Get it right there.
Get it, Papa.
Wear that leg out.
You need to take the card out, or is it working without?
Wear that leg out.
I had it, we use it with my wireless, but.
Yes, sir, we good.
Come on, get up. Come on, you know you want to get out of that crib. Come on, look at you. You're already on your knees. Come on. No, don't chew on the crib. Come on, get up. Come on. Come here. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Come on, stinky booty. Come on. Stand up. Come on. Stop doing that sound. Come on. Get out. Come on. You're getting too excited. Look at you balancing all on your own. Look at you. Look at that big boy. He's so big. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get that foot underneath you. Come on. Get that foot underneath. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I know. I know. Whoa. We almost lost you there. Come on. Stand up. Do you need some help? You want Mama to help you stand? Come on. Come on, get that foot underneath. There you go. There you go. Get the other one. Get that other one up. I can't help you with both. You got one down. Come on. Oh no. Oh no. See, I'm giving up. I gave up. I give up. You gonna get back up? Come on.
Try to scratch. I'll put up with it. I'll put up with it. See, I'm knocking out on that head. I'm knocking out on that head. Papa labor. Papa play blood. Yeah, Papa play blood. You see? You see what it is? What? Man, that was your one. Say, no, I want the glasses. I want the glasses. You can't have them. I need another pair of them. I'll let you have them. Yeah, I'll let you have them. You don't need them. You wouldn't be able to see that out of the trifocals. No, you would. You wouldn't be able to see that out of the trifocals.
That is taking you a picture.
spotted us. Is Grandma tickling your belly?
Yeah. So I'm not thinking enough.
Cub, what are you doing? What's wrong? Huh? Trying to stand up?